Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On today's video I just want to share with you guys very simple tips that how to add companies to your Odoo accounting module. So I'm using only a free version of Odoo, which is I'm only using the accounting module, and then I want to add another journal, another bookkeeping. It's still free because I'm just using one module only, even if I'm using it for several companies. So how to add more companies on your Odoo? You can go to these settings and then you scroll down until you can find these companies. I have two companies that I manage, so I can click this manage companies, and then very simple, what you have to do is just click new, and then you just follow whatever it is, whatever you want, and then after that you can click save around here, that an arrow inside a cloud, which is you save your company, and then you can switch your company. Just click on the right corner. Let's see, as you can see, I have two companies here, and then if I create a new one, there will be the third one here, so I can switch the bookkeeping from here, from another from one to another company. That's very easy tutorial. I hope you can understand, and then I hope you're doing well and your Odoo things will be good. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.